You can sometimes recharge an aerosol can that has lost pressure if the valve stem is accessible and the can still contains usable product. Recharging works by introducing compressed gas into the can through the valve while ensuring the internal pressure stays below the can manufacturer limit. First, check the can head stamping or product data sheet for a safe maximum pressure and never exceed that value. Many consumer aerosol cans are rated for low pressures only. Use a dedicated aerosol recharge adapter that fits the valve stem snugly and a regulated cylinder of the correct propellant, such as carbon dioxide or compressed air, depending on the product chemistry. Carbon dioxide will dissolve into some liquids and change dispersion, so choose the propellant with care. Work in a ventilated area, wear eye protection and gloves, and keep the can cool during filling since heat raises internal pressure. Add small increments of gas and test spray between fills so you do not overpressurize and so you can confirm the spray pattern and atomization are restored. If the product is reactive or contains flammable solvents, do not use carbon dioxide and follow the manufacturer's safety data sheet guidance. Common mistakes include overpressurizing the can, which can cause rupture. Avoid this by reading the stamped pressure limit and filling slowly while monitoring spray performance. Another issue is using the wrong propellant that alters the product performance or creates a safety hazard. Match propellant choice to the product chemistry, and when in doubt, consult the safety data sheet or a professional. A third problem is clogged or damaged valve stems that mimic low pressure. Try cleaning the stem with the manufacturer recommended solvent or replacing the actuator before attempting a recharge. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and troubleshooting tips relevant to aerosol maintenance and other home tasks. We help contractors find work through project listings, while homeowners can read community feedback and ask practical how-to questions.